Hey folks, today we're out here in the Game Changer Pro and we're going to take a look at how to set up your dinette. First, you're going to want to loosen your straps here. Pull that little lever. Go ahead and put out your legs here. Let this down. And then this back right here will flip up. So now this is one of your seats. We'll do the same thing on this side. Lift up your legs. Let this side down. And then right here on your table, you'll have two pins that hold it together. Just pull this pin out. Pull that pin out. Just kind of slowly let it come up. So once it gets to the top, now you just want to put those pins back in each side. And now you have your dinette and your ATC Game Changer Pro.